Hello student, chapter number 9 algebraic expression. In that we already solved first two question of question number exercise 9.3. Now today we start with third one. Find the product. Okay, find the product of here. Look here. Find the product of then the two or three monomials. All the monomials are there. Okay, so you just multiply them. First one, question number 3 in that first one. First is a square into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. Okay. Now in that what to do? Just multiply all the numerical value first, then add the power of same variables. Okay, and if they are different, so just write down as usual. So here first we multiply numerical values. Here no number is there, means 1. Okay, so 1 into 2 into 4, 1 2 and here 4 is there, into a raised to, okay, here 2 is there, 2 plus 22 plus 26, addition of power of a. Okay, here only a is there, so 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, so that is 8, and a raised to 26 plus 22, that is 30 and 48. Okay, 48 plus 2, that is 50. So our answer is 8 into a raised to 50, a to the power 50. Okay, number 2, look, that is 2 divided by 3xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. Okay, you just directly multiply them. Otherwise what to do? If you have any confusion, what to do? Multiply number with number, means 2 divided by 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into then x with x, x is to 1, okay, into x is to 2, into here y is to 1 and y is to 2. Numbers, underline them and underline the pair of same variables. Okay, now here another numbers having no sign, means all are in plus. Okay, then just check total how many in numerator and denominator, total how many time minus sign is there? One time, only one time, means odd time, so we get minus answer. Okay, then simplify them. 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10, means that is 3 upon 5. So answer is minus 3 upon 5 into x is to 2 and 1, addition of power 3, into y is to same here 2 and 1 3. So your final answer is minus 3 upon 5 x cube y cube. Clear? Next one, number 3, that is minus 10 upon 3 p q cube into 6 upon 5 p cube q. Okay, same is there. So first numerical value, multiplication of numerical value, then same power p raised to 1 and p raised to 3 into q raised to 3 and q raised to 1. Okay, under. Now minus sign only one time, so we get minus answer. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are, okay, so minus 2 2s are 4 divided by here 1 is there, no number is there, means 1 here. Okay, into p raised to 3 and 1 4 into q raised to 3 and 1 4. So final answer is minus 4. 4 upon 1, 1 is neutral number, so ignore that one. So minus 4 p raised to 4 q raised to 4. Okay, and then fourth one, so easy, that is x into x is to 2 into x is to 3 into x is to 4. Check the, here 1 is there. Okay, check the variables, all are equal. So what to do when you want to multiply them? What to do? Add the power number of variables. Okay, so x is to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so that means x is to 4 and 3 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10. So answer x is to 10. Okay, next one, question number 4. In that A. Read that question. Look. Simplify this one and find its value for x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 upon 2. First we simplify this one, okay? And that is 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. Okay? Now according to BODMAS, first remove that bracket. Before that bracket 3x, that is in multiple form. No sign is there, means multiple form. So 3x is coefficient for that bracket. So multiply both term with 3x. So 3x into 4x. Here minus is there. That is 3x into 5 plus 3. Now multiplication of these two. 4 and 3, 12. X is to 1 and 1, 2. Minus 5 3 is 15. That is x plus 3. Okay. That is our expression. Okay. Now find the value of first when x equal to 3 and second one when x equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Here you just write down the expression 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now put x equal to 3 means at the place of x you just write down 3. So 12 into bracket 3 square minus 15 into bracket 3 plus 3 equal to 12 into multiplication 3 is to 2 means 3 into 3 9 minus 5 15 3 is 45, otherwise multiply them plus 3. Okay, multiplication of 12 into 9 that is 108 minus 45 plus 3. First simplify these two, plus is there. Okay, so sign of biggest number is plus, plus minus minus 108 minus 45. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 10 minus 4 is 6 plus 3. Sign of biggest number is plus, plus plus plus, and addition of that one is 66. So your answer is plus 66 when x equal to 3. Now when x equal to 1 upon 2. So what to do? 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So 12 into bracket 1 upon 2x square means 1 upon 2 square plus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3 equal to 12 into 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Now here 4 3s are. So 3 1s are 3 minus 15 1s are 15 divided by 2 plus 3. Now look here, plus 3 is there and this one is plus 3. We add them, okay. So that is 3 and 3 6 minus 15 upon 2. Here 1. Take LCM, that is 2. So what to do? Multiply both means take LCM, that is 2. Now 1 2s are and 2 1s are. So 6 2s are 12 minus 15 1s are 15. Here no sign is there, means plus, equal to. Now simplify the numerator. Sign of biggest number is minus, that is minus, and plus minus minus. 15 minus 12 is 3 divided by 2. That's your answer. So value of that one when x equal to 1/2, your answer is minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Same in B. Look. That is a into bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Then find out value of a equal to 0, a equal to 1, a equal to minus 1. First we simplify them. Okay. That is a into bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. A is coefficient. So what to do? Multiply all term with a. Here we directly multiply them. A raised to 1 into a raised to 2 means a raised to 2 and 1 3. Plus same here, a raised to 1, here no numbers, means a raised to 1, a raised to 1, a raised to 2, plus a into 1, a 1s are a, okay, plus 5. That is our expression. Okay. Now find the value. First one when a equal to 0 means a raised to 3 a square a plus 5. Put the value of a here, that is 0 raised to 3 plus 0 raised to 2 plus 0 plus 5 answer of that one is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. Addition of any number with 0, we get same number, that is 5. Okay, same for second one, that is a raised to 1. Okay, find the value of that one. A raised to 3, a square, a plus 5. Put the value of a, that is 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 5. 5 and 1 6, 1 7, 1 8. Your answer is 8 when a equal to 1. And third one is when a equal to minus 1. So put the value of a in this expression, which is our answer here 5. So a equal to minus 1, here 3 is a cube, plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 5. Okay, minus 1 raised to 3, power is odd number, 3 is odd number, so we get minus answer. And 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 3 times, that is 1. Okay, here minus 1 is to 2, 2 is even. Okay, even number is there, so we get plus answer, so plus 1, and here plus 1 square is 1, and here plus minus minus 1 plus 5. Okay, now first we add the positive numbers, plus and plus, so answer is plus 5 and 1 6. Then minus minus plus, sign of minus, and minus minus plus, 1 and 1 2, means you just add the positive value and put plus sign here, and addition of that positive value. Then put minus and write down addition of negative numbers. Okay, now sign of biggest number is plus, plus minus minus, 6 minus 2 is 4. Your answer is plus 4 when a equal to minus 1. Okay, so here we complete question number 3 and 4. Okay, you just complete both one in your notebook. Question number 5 we will solve that one in next period. Okay, thank you.